buy it. This is my number 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Number 7 video of CNY Lego Lion, the set Build Speed Build. So the last set is gonna be so nice. So later, the next video, I'm gonna show all my collection of CNY Legos of all the year. Okay, so first, I'm just gonna box this bad boy. Sorry, bro. Okay, so we just open this now. And then just yeets it away. Inside, there is a lot of pieces here, you can see. That's a sticker, an instruction, and some plastic here. So, right here, Shadow Gangs. Yes, you can find me at PokeG and your Waitan MOE or your T-Ping. So guys, that's where you can find me. Get a thumbs up off the subscribe often. So now it's BD time. Okay, Shadow Gang, I'm finally done. I'm done with the last one. And this is the amazing product. So guys, same. You only have to do 3 things to make me happy. Like, subscribe, comment down below if you like it or not, and I'll black out.